lesson, I'm going to show you the basics, all right, how to create a program in C++ with the online GDB application. All right. So basically, what you need to do is you go to onlinegdb.com. All right, and you can register. Okay, so here I've already registered. Okay, if you're there for the first time, there will be a sign in option. All right, so you can sign in, and then once you sign in, you'll be able to save your projects in the cloud. All right. So the next thing is we want to make sure that we choose the preferred language as C++. The default would be C. We're going to choose the next one, which is C++. All right. So let me create a new project. Okay, so you can actually see how it looks like. All right, so this is the main page in C++. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all of this, which are basically comments. All right, now here we have X include IO stream, which we will cover soon. And whenever we want to print something out on the screen, we use the standard library. All right, now instead of having a need to put this standard with the 2: every time, what you can do is you can add in a line here that says using namespace std. All right, so once you do that, you will see that you don't need to put the std : every time. All right, so with that, I'm just going to save my code here. So I'm just going to say hello world 1. All right, and I'm going to run the code. So when I run the code, you can see that down here, there is a printout. All right, so basically C out means I want to print out to the screen. Okay, I want to print out to the screen. You can have as many C out as you like. If you want the cursor to go to a new line at the end of the printout, you just add in a ENDL. Okay, this will make sure the cursor goes to a new line. Okay, so for example, if now I add in another C out, welcome to the module. All right, and I save it. Okay, we will be able to see that there are two lines printed out here. All right, hello world and welcome to the module. Okay, so that is the basics of C++, okay, on how to use the cout and this online GDB platform. All right, in the next video, I will go into the cin, all right, on how to capture user input. All right, thank you. Bye.